All right, now this was not part of the project. It wasn't something I wanted to do, but once we got into it, we kind of had to remove this concrete set of steps because we couldn't get all the material off the wall behind them because the steps were built after the house was done. So we tore off the cap, we dug some new holes, poured some ready mix. We're gonna set some porch pier post brackets, say that 3 times fast, on these, and we're gonna build like a 6x14 little deck here, just a little bit big enough to set a chair up here or sit out here. Some nice steps up to the front door. I'm gonna start by trying to build this frame, figure out exactly where my posts are gonna go, and see what happens. Temporarily, I'm putting up the ledger board. I'll put that in with some structural GRK fasteners when I'm ready. But for now, I'm just tacking it up so I can define my outside corners and get my post holes. Now that I know where the deck is going to be, I could use the layout station to pinpoint exactly, probably pinpoint exactly where I want it to go now. Just temporarily. Okay, good starting point. So smooth. Okay. I mean, pretty good to me. I mean, I'm right on my string line mark.
Right.
Undo me. Whoa, wait. I gotta wait. I better get fastened first.
Yeah, you better get fastened first because I'm going to crank on it.
Okay, do me a favor and
push.
Yeah, push it. Don't let off, man. Don't let off.
Yep.
This is where we're gonna get to do our Stabila challenge.
Ooh. You pretty much level this girl up too.
It should be, yeah, and then we'll mark it and get it, get our bracket.
Right there. These two, you better not use that again. You're gonna have the government showing up wondering why there's a 4.3 magnitude earthquake happening here.
I know, right?
Causing a tsunami like in Michigan. Smacking the redhead with the redhead. Love it when the redhead beats up on another redhead.
Yep, cool. Grab that
Bandsaw.
You want to watch this?
Bands make them dance.
You're gonna love this.
Am I? I'll be the judge of that.
I've been just looking for a reason to use this, and it even has a rafter hook.
Smooth. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm gonna hold this here, level it off the wall to the top.
Level it off.
Level the top off the wall. Right there.
Ooh, buddy.
Based on my mark. Yep, right there. Okay. Double check this, make sure we didn't jack this up. Bag them. Okay, how are we here? Sack o' cash.
Psycho cash.
Sack o' cash.
Splish splash.
Nice. Okay. I like that, bro. It's good start. Now that we have this, now what we're going to do is take this. I'm going to go ahead and put some greens in to my main points so it doesn't go nowhere. Still a little bit unsure how I'm going to do this set of steps. It's going to be about a total 4 steps. You rat.
Ooh, buddy. Greg, you're on fire.
That'll protect those from rotting, dude. And if and when we put some other stuff on, that'd be good for it. Stand on this guy.
Stand or lift?
Kind of both.
So if I do like, oh shoot, I don't know about that, my dude.
We'll get what we can.
Okay, I'll stand on it.
You're gonna make the top soldier. No, you're standing on this side.
Yeah, I know.
You ain't doing nothing.
My toes are cramping. Bro, there's like nothing. Shoot.
This is pretty impressive.
That little drill?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
I wonder how it'll do like on a roof.
Like how long it will last?
Yeah. Gotta make sure the tops of the
Cleaned up, clean shaven.
So I just did 4. What are you doing over here? I got them done.
I don't have a knife. I'd have them done too, but I don't have a knife.
My theory with this stuff, Greg, is I've never done it before on a deck ever.
Yeah.
So anything that we do is better than that. Like, I don't know how to do this exactly. I've seen it done. And I figure the biggest thing is we're stopping any screw holes. Like, usually that's where it's gonna
rot out.
It's gonna rot out, is where your screws and are allowing the water to get in, especially on top of any of these, like.
Yeah, I get the same. I get it.
Like, it's pretty cheap. 30. No, this was about 60 bucks.
And if it lasts 5-10 more years, adds to the lifespan by 5 or 10 years.
Well, we had to do it if we're going to do aluminum.
Yeah. So it makes sense.
Now you may be asking yourself, why are you guys putting this stuff on top of your deck frame? Well, mostly because we're going to start off this project with a treated deck. We've got our treated boards, just a simple, cost-effective deck, because we need to make it look good for our project that we're doing with LP Smartside. But in case we were to want to put anything different on in the future, maybe Trex, or maybe we wanted to do another product that you might just have to stick around with the channel to find out what that would be, but might have a little something in the works here for this with a new product that maybe you've never heard about. And we wanted to make sure that the deck was you know, protected. And so this is some deck flashing. We're gonna get the side flash now, and then we're gonna go ahead and start running our treated deck board. So just wanted to answer that question. And you can see here I did this so that I can run a border. So our boards will run this way and they'll die on this guy, and then I'll be able to run another board this way to kind of create that picture frame border. Okay, go flush. I'm gonna go fast.
I'm about getting the job done, boy, up every night. Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, we'll start on yours and we'll work it
Towards the wall.
toward the wall. So actually I'm probably gonna have you on that end.
Yep.
I'm about to get a job done, boy. I don't know how we're gonna do this. I think I'm gonna run it right on that line. And I'm just gonna work it down.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Can I tear this in half?
Maybe. Can you flip it and you just kind of like score the middle? Like not go deep, just kind of like hit it just a little bit?
Not get too deep on it?
Not get too, yeah, let's try it. Atta boy.
We did it. I hope so, man. You're gonna keep her nice and taut?
Try.
I'm gonna run right on this red line. Okay, go ahead and tighten it up. Okay, let me get this Pull it taut. Oh man, this is gonna be tough, Greg.
Yeah.
Maybe. This is so careful. Here. I'm gonna hold it out. You keep going. I'm gonna keep it out. What the heck? The biggest thing is make sure it's tight up against in the corner.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Bruh. Greg can't handle it.
I'm about to lose my damn mind.
Oh no. Just remember, Greg, you're better than that.
Oh my gosh.
You got it, buddy?
We should snap a line first, huh?
For what?
So we get a nice straight line coming off the building.
Oh, we ain't starting on the building. Start out here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, okay. I can respect that. Got 3 more.
Okay. Wow, way to put your boards straight, Greg. No, I know you. You're trying to sabotage the deck.